guys, welcome to On This Job with Chris, and I'm back at work for the new year, ready to keep going and, you know, just do what I do. So without further ado, I'm gonna get into this work, so let's go. So right now what I'm doing, guys, is I'm checking to make sure the washer and the dryer works. So I'm putting my hand on the plastic window of the dryer to make sure that the dryer is getting hot. Because if it doesn't get hot, we gotta replace it, or we gotta figure out what's going on before the person moves in. I got the washer down here going to make sure it works and that the barrel turns and that the soap come out and everything like that. Or somebody move in. So that's one of the things right there. And next, I'm gonna be doing these lights because I can see that one of these bulbs are actually out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the glass and I'm gonna put a new bulb inside of this light fixture. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, I got the light, I got the white glove off. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna just wipe this up real quick. Make sure no dust and stuff like that. I'm gonna set this to the side. I'm gonna take out the bulb that's out, the light bulb is out. And I'm gonna shoot it like Jordan. Trash can. Then I'm gonna open my box, take the new bulb out, just put it in there. See how everything is much brighter now? And then I'm gonna take the globe. Hold on, before I take the globe, I need to put these little things back on there. Back on. So now I can put the globe back on the fixture. Like this. Screw them back on there. Make sure everything is lined up and aligned. Alright, that's secured. Let's secure this other side. Alright. That's done and out the way. These two lights are good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this glass out and I'm gonna wipe the inside of it out because it got like dead bugs and stuff inside of here. So I'm gonna just wipe that out real quick. now that I got this off, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my rag and just, you know, get all the stuff from the inside of here, all the dust and cobwebs, all of that. I'm gonna wipe all this off. You know what I'm saying? The light bulbs are good. I'm gonna just, you know, wipe all this out. Then I'm gonna put this back up here. I'm gonna screw these back in here. Make sure everything is aligned. Make sure everything right. Got the big side secured. Then I'm gonna do this side. Then I'm gonna have to come back over here and make sure the washer and the dryer is good. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is real nice and hot. This heat really feels good. It's cold outside. So the heat from this dryer is good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop this. Feel the inside of everything real nice. Cut that back, cut that off. With the washer, I'm gonna just let that run in cycle and do its thing, you feel me? I'm gonna let that do its thing. So, yeah. Without further ado, y'all, thank y'all for watching, man. Thank y'all for, you know what I'm saying, viewing my videos, staying down with me. Appreciate y'all for subscribing, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, bro. I'm dropping bangers and I'm dropping work every day. You know what I'm saying? Because I go to work every day except on the weekend. But sometimes I'm on call, so I do got to work on the weekend. So make sure y'all lock in with me though, man. We out.